Before you can download movies on Telegram, you have to set up Telegram. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your app store, download and install the Telegram app. Yes, you can have your Telegram on your mobile phone or on your computer. After downloading Telegram, log in. So you open the application and sign in. If you don't have an account before, create an account using your mobile phone number. After you've done that, wait a while and you will receive a verification PIN via text message. You can enter the PIN to verify your number and complete the registration process. Then create a profile for yourself. So you can add a profile picture if you want. To download a movie, first you have to join a movie channel. So search the platform for groups and channels on Telegram that stream movies. You can use the search bar to find the channels related to movies, or you can do it by adding simple keywords related to the particular movie you want to watch. When you search out that specific channel that you like, you can just join the channel by pressing the join button. There are also some channels where someone has to invite you before you can join. But those are just few channels. Most of the channels you can just join by clicking the join button. To guard against joining untrustworthy channels, you may need to check out the channel's positive reviews as well as their subscribers to ensure that the channel you're joining is safe. Once you have joined the channel, you have access to the movies and you can download the movies you want to watch. You can choose your movies based on the file type. Telegram offers MKV, AVI, and MP4 formats, so you can choose according to the file type you prefer. When downloading movies on Telegram, ensure that your internet connection is strong enough and your device has the memory to store the movie. You can use VPN to protect your data and identity during downloads. Some people also use the Movies Tracker bot to help them automate the process. After you become a member of a channel, you'll be notified whenever there's a new post, update, or a movie uploaded to the channel. So head onto your app store, download your Telegram, and look for the movie you wish to watch.